This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Diane Waldron. Mirror Lakes Community, Picturesque plus location. The Brickell floor plan, one-story home features an open-concept living area. 3 bedrooms plus den, 2 full bathrooms complete with upgrades. Energy, efficient Whirlpool Appliances, spacious island, granite countertops, 36 inches upper cabinets with crown molding, convenient outlets with USB charging capability and attached 2-car garage with a Wi-Fi enabled garage door opener. Wood tile flooring throughout entire living and kitchen area, Cathedral style ceiling in living area. Large fence in backyard. Mirror Lakes offer residents a premier location with easy access to amenity-packed parks, conservation areas, restaurants and world-class beaches. For more information, review the details below.